Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about the privacy of email addresses. It's interesting because people have the impression that emails are secure and you shouldn't give your email to anybody except really important people or companies that you want to trade with or so on. In reality, your email address has nothing private. Your email is like your postal address. It's visible to anyone that really wants to see it. And, when you write an email to someone, your email gets scooped everywhere. One of the things that we often talk about is, the spam folders. And the spam folders is often something that people are kind of, going crazy saying, well, why is there so much spam? The important thing is not that there's spam in the folder. The important thing is that the folder works, meaning it removes what you don't want to see from the main inbox in your email. And that is the important thing. So the rest, it will always be like that because your emails, when you send emails everywhere, they're scooped up. Your email is never a private thing. Also, remember that sensitive information is not email is not the best place for that because not only do most emails send to other emails in unencrypted, meaning that pretty much everybody could see what's in the content. And that's why emails are not used for very secure, things. Because the information in there could be seen by everybody that wants to scoop in the different servers from point A to point B. But the other question that comes also from email is about, well, if I give my email, they can hack me? No, they cannot. Your email is just an email. Your email is just a way to contact you. So that means it's going to be used to send you spam or in email of some sort. But to get hacked, you need to have more than just the email. You need that password that goes with the email, and you need more information that goes with it. So if you, an example is I've been Pawned, the website that I talked about, where you can check if your, some accounts using your email, they can verify if some, accounts that you've registered with have been hacked in the past. And they'll tell you if, passwords have been stolen, stuff like that. A lot of people are afraid. They're like, well, if I enter my email there, I'm getting scammed. You're not. You're just entering an email. It's a simple thing. You don't have a password. You don't have anything. There's nothing they can do with just an email except send you spam, like I said. So stop thinking that email is precious and is so unique, and you need to really be careful to who you give it to, because it has nothing private and never did, and unless you use specialized services, it never will. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.